proper gadget this. As long as you can get it tight. Oh, for fuck's sake. Never enough light. As long as you can get it tight still. I can't see now because I've been fucking blinded by the light. There you go, that's a good one. That is doing my thing. I'm trying to show how easy this is. There you go, watch now. It's turning into a bit of a nightmare because I just can't see anything. What a gadget this is. You can see I've already used it round here. It was all broken up terribly.
I can't go any further because
All broken up like that. As long as you get in there, look, I've got to get to here. This is all because of a fox. So I've stitched that together so far. And it's come out. Brilliant. I mean, yeah, you've got the stress cracks in the paint, look. But considering Sian's skin, she can't afford a new bumper. This is going to get her away for a good while yet. Well impressed. Well, it's as good as it gets. Yeah, if you look closely, you can see the cracks, obviously, and fucking obliterated your bumper for fuck's sake. But they're all repaired. I mean, if you could be asked, you could rub that down, fill and paint it, but I ain't fucking doing that. Repaired and done. And I ain't broke your number plate yet.